In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar in Microsoft Outlook. The Outlook calendar is your central place to see what's coming up, keep track of meetings, and stay organized across devices. The good news is that getting to it is quick and consistent, whether you're on the desktop app or using Outlook on the web. If you're on the desktop version of Outlook for Windows or Mac, look toward the bottom left of your Outlook window. You'll see a small navigation area with icons for mail, calendar, people, and sometimes tasks. The calendar icon looks like a tiny calendar page. Click it, and Outlook will switch from your CMOS inbox to the calendar view. That one click is all you need to move into a layout designed for scheduling, where your day, work week, or month is front and center. If you're using Outlook on the web through Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com, you'll find a similar setup. Look to the left sidebar for the calendar icon. It appears alongside other app shortcuts, and the design is similar to the desktop version. Click the calendar icon in that sidebar, and your browser will take you straight to your calendar view. Once you are in the calendar, you'll notice a clean grid showing dates and times, along with your existing appointments, reminders, and shared calendars if you have access to any. You'll typically see navigation arrows to move between days or weeks, and a Today button that snaps you back to the current date. The top area usually displays filters and view choices, so you can focus on a single day for detail or widen your view to plan ahead. If you have multiple calendars, such as a work calendar